Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Box, full guide step by step clearly. To register for Box, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.box.com and press enter. Once the Box homepage loads, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be presented with different options for signing up. Choose the option that best suits your needs, such as personal use or business. If you opt for a personal account, select Get Started for free. For a business account, choose the plan that fits your organization's requirements. Fill in the necessary fields, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets security guidelines. After filling in your details, read through Box's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Continue or Create Account button to move forward. Box may prompt you to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Box. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Box website. Now that your email is verified, log in using your credentials. You may be prompted to complete your profile by adding additional information. Fill out any optional fields as desired, then click on Save or Continue. Congratulations, you are now registered with Box. You can start exploring the features and functionalities immediately. If you want to further customize your account, check the Settings menu. Explore the Box tutorials or Help Center for additional assistance. Your Box account is now ready for file storage and collaboration. Start organizing your files and enjoying your new cloud storage experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.